Earlier today, we went to our local organic store and went to go buy 2 Jades to start good luck for a new year. This one is a bigger Jade and this one is a mini Jade. It is currently 11:33 p.m., almost 12 o'clock, which means that we only have 27 minutes more of New Year's Eve, and then it'll be New Year's 2019. Cheers! And jade plants are considered good luck in Asian traditions. And if you place these in different locations, it will bring good luck in a different way. If you put these jade plants in the east location, it will consider bringing family, harmony, and health. In southeast, it means wealth and money. And if you put it in the west location, it will bring good luck to creativity. Now, if you put this in the northwest, it brings good luck for teachers and mentors. In our house, we are going to place it in the southeast area of our house to bring wealth. Because you know, cash is king. And in our household, we could use a king. So good luck to everyone in 2019.